room tour on Norwegian Epic. This is way before our vlogging days, so you'll see in the video it's a little bit funny. We've watched it. It's really cute and humorous. So this was on the Norwegian Epic back in 2018, I believe we sailed on this. Room number 9011, which is a standard balcony. The room itself, I have to say, is, I think, poorly designed for cruise ship standards. It's very narrow, difficult to walk through, and it's a tight space to maneuver. And the layout is very interesting. So here is what they call the bathroom. The shower itself is on one side of the room, and then the toilet is on the opposite side, and the sink is actually in the room itself. You have to pull the curtain for privacy, and you actually change in that little vestibule area. When you have a room like this, please make sure you put the deadbolt on your door before you take your clothes off to get into the shower, because you possibly could have the room steward coming and opening the door.
Yeah, that sink is just very, very small. We always laugh about this ship whenever we talk with people. We just always say, if you're going to go on Norwegian, watch out for the Epic.
Yeah. The rest of the ship, we do not have any qualms or issues with. The ship itself was beautiful. This room design, it's just very poorly thought out. And I don't think they ever made another ship like this with this type of room design. The balcony itself was very, very nice. We did have a seating area. There was, enough space to store everything. But the bathroom itself, I have not spoken with anyone that has enjoyed this layout. They find that it's very difficult to work with. Please like and subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.
Cat and Mike, the ship set sail on a journey that'll never fail. With the wind in their hair